Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So let's read this book together. Peppa Pig and the Muddy Puddles. Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig are tucking Peppa and George into bed. There is so much rain, Peppa says. That means there will be muddy puddles to jump in tomorrow. Mummy Pig says with a smile. The splish, splash, splash of raindrops on the window sings. Peppa and George to sleep. They dream of muddy puddles. It rains and rains and rains. The next morning, the sun is shining. Daddy Pig runs out to jump in a muddy puddles, but he lands in a big pool of water instead. Oh, how did this water get there? Daddy Pig asked. And where are the muddy puddles? Asked Peppa. Our house is on an island, says Peppa. Oh dear, says Mummy Pig. What will we do? Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig arrive on their boat. Oh there, Grandpa Pig says, wonderful boating weather. We are going to the store, says Granny Pig. Can George and I come too? Asked Peppa. Yes, we will do the shopping for everybody. Polly can remember a shopping list. She is very good at that, Granny Pig says. Who is a clever parrot? Who is a clever parrot? Says Polly. Polly is very good at repeating what people say. Peppa, George, Grandpa Pig, Granny Pig and Polly motor across the water. It's fun, but there are no muddy puddles. Each house is on its own island. They go from house to house, asking everyone what they need from the store. Susie Sip asks for chocolate. Swack! Chocolate, Polly repeats. Granddad Dog needs a newspaper and Danny Dog wants a comic book. Squawk, newspaper. Comic book, Polly repeats. Grampy Rabbits wants cheese. Squawk, cheese, Polly repeats. Grandpa Pig boats arrives at the supermarket. Hello, says Miss Rabbit. What can I get you? Polly knows, Peppa says proudly. Swack! Polly opens her beak. Who is a clever parrot? Who is a clever parrot? She says. Polly has forgotten the list. Don't worry, says Peppa. I remember. So they get what is needed and go back to deliver everything. Cheese, says Grampy Rabbit. Thank you. A newspaper and comic book, says Granddad Dog and Danny Dog. Thank you. Chocolate, says Susie Sip. Thank you. Chocolate for dinner. Ask Mummy Sheep. Peppa and George are very sleepy when they arrive back home. Did you have fun? Ask Mummy Pig. Yes, says Peppa. We got lots of things at the store. We got something for everyone. Snort. But Peppa is sad. She didn't get what she wanted. There were no muddy puddles at all. The next morning, the sun is shining brightly in the clear blue sky. Polly Parrot comes to visit. Grandpa Pig's boat is stuck on Peppa's front lawn. Oh, Granny Pig says, "Look out from the boat. The flood is over." They all look around. The houses that were on island yesterday are now back to normal, sitting on top of their hills. The water that Peppa and George boated in is gone, and the bottom of their very own hill they see. Hee hee, hee hee, scratch. A great big muddy puddle. Hee hee, hee hee, scratch. Big enough for everyone. Thank you so much for watching my channel.